Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavor Station's coming to town. Now then, this is a very simple recipe. All you're gonna need is some basil. I had this basil plant from Lidl, 89p. It was a bit on the turn. I thought, how am I gonna pattern this? Well, I'm gonna make some nut-free pesto, because I don't really like it with the pine nuts in it. Oh, that's thingy. I'm not allergic to nuts, but yeah, we need the Filippo Bello, basil, 2 cloves of garlic. You need some, technically Parmesan for the actual authentic recipe, but I like to use this smoky cheddar with paprika. It just lifts it, makes it nice. Now what you want to do, grab any leaves off, put them in there, the nice fresh green ones, dash where the yellow ones, you don't want them in there, blood. We're laughing, baby. All you got to do is just make sure, you can put bits of stalk in there, like bits of, just nothing too hard, innit? You ain't got to faff around, and it tastes so much better and lasts so much longer than that stuff in the jar. See that? You don't really want that. Welcome to the Flavour Chaser Christmas Quiz! In Home Alone, where are the McAllisters going on holiday when they leave Kevin behind? A. Belgium. B. Paris. C. Lapland. Or D. Sweden. Comment your answer below and you'll find out at the end of the vid, boy! Now back to the thing. You got your basil ready. Don't forget to follow Flavour Station. You don't know Insta. Now you just want to crush that. Peel it. You don't have to chop it because we're going to whiz with a hand blender. You can actually make this with a pestle and mortar as well. Or you can just chop it really small, but it'll take you about an hour, you know. An hour. And then what you want to do, some coarse sea salt. This will help it all blend together, break down the enzyme in the garlic. Yeah, bit of gastronomy for you, bit of science. Come true with your cheese. Chop that nice and small though, because what this can do, you don't want to put that in big, because that'll just turn into a ball, and you don't want that. It won't get put through it properly. It won't liquidize. It won't, you know, it's just gonna go. You just want to get a small dice with this. Lovely jubbly. It's Christmas, man. Because it's Christmas, subscribe, click the ding dong so you get a notification, because you love it. You love to see it. Now just chop your cheese down. Lovely jubbly. Cheddar, yeah? Lovely pesto with pasta. Just dip your chips in it, man. It's great. Make garlic bread with it. Come true with your extra virgin. I couldn't live without this stuff, you know. Good for ya. Better than any other oil, I reckon. Now, a big mistake with a lot of people when they make pesto or anything that you blend down, they put too much liquid in. Too much oil, too much water, too much stock. You can always add, but you can't take away. Same with salt. The basil's going to release a lot of liquid. It's going to, see it already? It's going to release a lot of liquid. Same with the cheese. It's just, you know, there's not much body to it, especially without the nuts. Nutty. If you want to add nuts, 2 tablespoons. See it there? Now it's all blended. Look. Pesto, blood. It's pesto. Hey, pesto. Hey, pesto. Yes, blood. Yeah, man. Things patterned correctly. Correct thickness, look. Look, correct thickness. Just lovely. Hello, come pesto for the man. Jeez. Subscribe, please. And the answer to the Christmas quiz was B. Oh, Paris, Kevin. Click that thing, watch a video, click that thing.